Hey, Robert. How's it going?
Vanessa-san, genki desu ka?
What are you drinking there?
Drinking a nice bottle of sake that you sold me.
Well,
I guess you're
lovely.
pretty good at your job, but it's also a very wonderful new arrival for us. This is a Namazake.
Nice. All right. So what does that all say on there?
Well, we're going to go over this label. It's kind of our new little shtick here in the shop. So let's get a nice close-up. I kind of like this one. You got the traditional characters on here. So we're going to go over this thing with a fine-tooth comb, or in this case, a ballpoint pen. And you got it there. So it's going to say, this says Nihonshu, and that is actually the official name for sake. They don't say sake. It's so Nihon means Japan. Shu is alcohol. It's like the national alcohol of Japan. Now these characters here, this says Genzairyo me. This is the name of the ingredients that are going into this, right? Like, it's like an ingredients list. This character is kome, which means rice. And this says, again, you see it's the same as these guys, right? This is Japan.
Oh, yeah.
Nihon-san, so domestic rice, Japanese produced, so domestic rice. And again, we have the same character here, kome koji, that's the actual rice koji that goes into this, and also saying that this is also Japan, Nihon san mai. So this is also using Japanese domestic rice. And then over here it says...
Is my rice?
Yeah, it depends. So kome is rice, but if the character is in a compound, it's going to be mai.
Okay.
If it's by itself, like here, you wouldn't pronounce it, you call it kome here. But when you're in a compound with these other characters, it would be pronounced mai.
Ah,
Good question.
wow.
So this is Jozo Arukoru, so brewed alcohol. Or just, whatever. That's kind of like brewed alcohol. It's a weird term. But anyway, so this says 720 mils, right? So it'd be 720 milliliter. Tsume, or bean, which basically that's how much is the volume in the bottle. And this says... Seizo Nengetsu, that's like the year and month it was produced, and this is flipped around, so this is January 25th. Or Ichigatsu Niju Go Nichi. Anyway,
Wow.
Actually, Niju Go Nen, sorry, that's the year. So the name of the brewery is Kasumi Tsuru. This last character is this one, Tsuru, which means crane. Kasumi is a place in Hyogoken, so that's just a place name. Kind of an unusual reading. You could also read this as kaori, or smell, which means beautiful smell, and this is like place to live. And crane.
Wow, sounds
Lovely. And this is, so you can see how these characters are a little bit like less clean. They're trying to be fancy here, right? So Shibori-tate. That means this is basically like the first press. Okay, the first press.
Okay.
This is Yamahai. So this is an old way of making the moto. I don't have time to go into that, but so that's an important point as for the style here. So Yamahai, and this says Nama-chozo shu. Basically, this Nama character means unpasteurized. Chozo means for maturation. And shu is alcohol. So basically this was not pasteurized before maturation phase, but they did pasteurize it right before bottling. Okay, so then this gets a little more complicated.
Wow.
These are tiny. So Namazake, okay, shuka chokuzen ni. So Namazake is what we have here. Now, this isn't a true Namazake because they're saying like this has been pasteurized one time. So a true Namazake is actually never pasteurized, but let's just leave that point aside. So, shuka chokuzen ni kanetsu shori shite arimasu. So they're kind of tricking you. They're saying, oh yeah, we had a Namazake, but then we pasteurized it once. Well, now it's not a Namazake in the true sense. Now it's saying, hiyashite o nomi kudasai. So chill it and then drink it, which is real. Drink chilled. We don't say drink chilled. They say chill it then drink it, which is really weird. So it says nomi sugi, drinking too much, ya, or things such as ninpuchu, like during pregnancy, oyobi, or as far as junyuki, which is lactation. So no inshu ni wa go chui kudasai. So you don't want to drink this. It's alcohol during pregnancy or lactation. It's a long way to say.
It's like our government warnings.
Correct. So kaisen, as you open the cork. No sai, which is a polite term for when you do something. At the time when you open this, because they've got this little metal thing around it, and it'll slice your fingers.
Yes, they do.
So at that time, yubi o kizutsukenai yo ni go chui kudasai. So be careful in such a way that you don't cut your fingers.
Oh.
Okay.
Important.
Yes. And then this says
I've done that.
Osake, that's a polite way to say sake. Osake wa hatachi ni natte kara. You drink this, you can drink it once you become 20 years old in Japan.
Oh.
Now, this is the last part, not super important, but it's the address, so we can do this.
Oh.
So, Kasumi Tsuru Kabushiki Gaisha, that's a corporation. Kabu is like a stock form company, so it's like a corporation. Hyogo Ken, that's the name of the prefecture. Mikata-gun, it's like maybe, I don't know, you call it county perhaps. So Mikata-gun, let's see, Kamicho, that's the town. And this would be, let's see, Kasumi-ku, that's where this name, so you see that Kasumi is the same. Ku is like a very tiny area within the town.
Oh, okay.
Obata, which is just probably the name of their neighborhood. Ropyaku no ni, so yeah.
And I did read that this has origins from like 1725, this brewery.
This brewery is awesome.
Wow.
Now, if you want to cheat, you look at the back and they'll give you some of the details.
Ah, there you go.
But what we're 17% alcohol, but what we're saying is, and I like the fact that these guys are actually doing a really nice job on the back. Mm-hmm. But what I want you to look at is like, well, you can learn some of these terms, like Shibori-tate. There's about 20 terms on a label, which if you read them, you're going to see them over and over and over again, and it give you an idea what's inside the bottle. Mm-hmm. So, yeah, let's taste it. Ready?
Taste it.
After all that. Oh, it smells great.
And?
Lychee. Remember those like small like cream bananas?
Yes.
So it's tropical, it's rich, it's got good palate weight. It's fantastic. This is a beautiful Nama. So stop in, we have it. Melissa just delivered it. And you have to thank her for that. So arigato gozaimasu. All right, that's good. Not bad for one.